Is your PC starting to feel like it's running the mud? Those random freezes and slow load times usually aren't because your computer is old. It's because it's buried under layers of digital trash. Today I'm going to show you the 4 hidden locations where Windows hides junk files that even standard cleaners miss. By the end of this video, your PC will feel sappier, load faster, and breathe easier. Let's dive into it. First, let's clear the prefetch folder. This stores data to help apps open faster. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard and type prefetch. Hit enter to continue. Okay, we have to give the permission continue. Okay, and using by Control A to select all, and Shift and press delete button at the same time and hit enter. Yes. Using Shift plus delete bypasses the recycle bin, deleting them permanently and saving your an extra step. Next, we are going after the basic temporary file created by your Windows system. Hit Windows plus R again and type temp. Hit enter and continue again. Same the method, Control A, Shift delete and enter, and do it for all current items. Continue. Some might be not deleted, so skip those. So if Windows says a file in use, don't swear it. Just click skip. It just means that program is currently running. So that's why these 3 are not being deleted. So no problem. Let's close this window again. This is where the real bloatware lives. Apps like Chrome, Discord, and Spotify leave massive amount of encrypted junk here. Open the run box again, Windows plus R key, and type percentage temp percentage again, then hit enter and select Control plus A and Shift plus delete. Yes. If your PC already feels faster, do me a hug favor and smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this video is actually helpful, and subscribe if you want more quick PC optimization tips. Finally, we are going to use a powerful built-in Windows tool to finish the job. Press Windows plus R key again and type clean mgr. Hit enter. Now select the drive C. OK. Make sure you check every single box here: recycle bin, temporary integrated files, thumbnails, and delivery optimization file. Now click OK and let Windows do the heavy lifting. And that's it. Your Windows 10 or 11 PC is now officially declared. I recommended doing this once a month to keep this running at peak performance. If you run into any issue, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.